What we're going to take a look at here is just comparing the differences between LED displays here on the right, different LCD displays, and also a little look at the new TrueMeter APM, which has again quite a versatile LCD display. And we're just going to compare the differences and look at them a little bit more closer to see what the reasons might be between why you would choose one particular display over another one. So when you're looking at different types of counter, to make the choice between LED over here on the right and LCD, depends what information you want. LED is bright, but the actual digits tend to be limited to the sort of typical figure of 8 type display, whereas over here on the TrueMeter 9100 you've got multi-line display, you can put engineering units in, and clearly LCD is much more versatile in terms of giving more detail. The other one we've got here again is an LCD, but this is just a totalizer. Again, when people are looking at different counters, it depends what your application is. A basic totalizer will just count the numbers up. This 7111 can be backlit with a 5 volt supply, but it is a self-powered counter for the purposes of being a totalizer. So what we've got here then is obviously the difference between a bright LED display that can be viewed from several meters away with less detail, and your LCD display probably has more detail. And then on the far left here we've actually got the new TrueMeter APM, and this is a combination of LCD and LED. The LEDs are doing the backlighting of this display. The LCD is what gives it its detail in terms of the bar graph and the actual starburst display. And these are actually able to be positive display, this one here, and also inverted to be negative display. So things have moved on quite a bit in terms of displays as to how versatile they can be, but again it still comes down to what your application is and what your requirements are. Again, if there's anything people want to discuss, then they can always call us or leave an inquiry, and we'll talk through what your application is and make a few suggestions of the different things that we've got available.